show you how you can do personalized video outreach at scale. The idea is to send out thousands of videos to your prospects, and each one of them will open it and they will think the video was made and recorded just for them. Before watching this, please ensure you've seen the video on the core features of the app and how you can do one-on-one personalized outreach. That's important because that really goes through the foundation stuff. So let's take a scenario where I would like to reach out to thousands of people on my email list. This is how I'm going to do it. I'm going to create a personalized image to be placed within the email body. And then I'm going to create a personalized landing page. So when my prospect or my subscriber, when they see the image, the personalized image, it gets enough of their attention to click on it and they land on the personalized landing page. So it's a two-step thing where the whole purpose of the personalized image is a bit clickbaity, and then the purpose of the landing page is to, again, make it look like the video was recorded just for them. So in this case, I'm going to use this video from the last example, but in this one, I've added a more generic video, and I'm going to use that. So first of all, I'm going to create a personalized landing page. So I would click on personalization. Personalized landing pages. I would click on new page and choose the landing page I want to personalize. In this case, it's going to be this one, which I just recorded a video for. And I will choose that. So this is the page I created. I've added the proposal, the text, everything. And this is where I can add dynamic attributes, which will be replaced by the prospect's name or company or whatever we choose to add over here. So I'll just show you a very simple example. Just like previous example where I said Martin just wanted to say hi, but imagine in this case, I wanted to reach out to thousands of people, so I couldn't really write Martin over here, but instead I would choose to write first name. So you can literally add attributes throughout the whole page, personalized tags. And then you can say, you can add some personalization there. For example, if I'm reaching out to SEO companies, sorry, plumbing companies, and I want to make it look like I wrote this text for them, I would just basically add company there. So let's see how this is going to look. By the way, you can do a lot of stuff, add tags everywhere throughout the whole page. You can even change the video. Let me show you preview and see how that's going to look to the end user. So imagine Andy, and he works for a company called Fast Plumbing or something. Okay, I'm going to update to see the preview. Okay, so basically, this is how, if we send out this video to a guy called Andy from a company called Fast Plumbing, this is what they're going to see, personalized for them. At the same time, if you sent out the same landing page to someone called John from a company called JobLogic or something, they will see John over there and JobLogic here. So that's a landing page done. Now I'm going to go and create a personalized image, which I'd be able to add within an email. So I would click on personalization, personalized images, click on new image. And so we have a whole library of images you can choose from, or you can add your own image and personalize that. For example, that it could be you holding a play card showing the prospect's name, or just choose one of these. So for example, let's choose one of these over here. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, let's choose that one. Right. Okay. So this is the image your prospect is going to see when they open up the email, and we're going to paste this in the email body. So let's see. So it has a first name and last name. You can add more tags. For example, you can add any one of these tags as well. For example, again, the company name. So okay, and you can rotate it so it looks okay on the image. Okay, look when your prospect sees that image. Okay, let's click on the preview. Right, okay, so we need to make some changes. Okay, that looks better. And then I'm just going to press save and next. And I'm going to add the URL for the personalized landing page I created. Okay, and once I've done that, it's going to give me a code which I'm going to insert into my email body. If you're using, we've got multiple integrations over here, and you can choose whichever one you're using and just copy this code within the email body and send it. That's it. That's all you have to do. So here is an example of the email I sent out to myself, and I got this image with my name added dynamically, my first name and my last name and my company's name. And this is how your prospects, all of your prospects are going to see the image as well with their name, last name, and the company name. And when I click on it, I see the personalized landing page, right, with my name embedded dynamically.
Hey there, this is Neil, and I want to follow up with what Hamad's been telling you and talk about what is by far the most anticipated feature within Vumu, and that is the AI generated emails and proposals. So let's start with how you can use the AI generated emails feature. First, navigate to the inbox by clicking on it from the left menu. Before you can use this feature, you must integrate your Gmail account, so make sure you do that. Once integrated, proceed by clicking Send via email. Here you can enter the recipient's email address, the subject, and then click on the Generate Email button. You will be prompted to specify your target audience and the keywords that you're going after. After putting in this information, click on Generate Email to see the AI create the email content right in front of you, complete with the necessary tags such as the recipient tag, where you can add related information to them. Once you're satisfied with it, you can add multiple recipient emails and the subject before sending the email in bulk to multiple recipients. Now, moving on to the next feature, if you have uploaded or recorded multiple videos and wish to add a proposal, select the video that you have uploaded. Click on it to access the Generate Content with AI option. Here you can input a prompt for your proposal, define the target audience, add keywords, and set a word limit, with 1,000 words being the maximum. Click on Generate Content to create the complete proposal content. These two features are now available for you to use within Vumu, enhancing your user experience by streamlining the creation of emails and proposals with AI assistance.